Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to quickly insert the division symbol in Microsoft Word. We will cover 3 fast methods, so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. To begin, the most visual method is through the equation tool. Open your Word document and click on the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Look to the far right and click on Equation. This opens a new design menu. In the Symbols gallery, simply click the division sign, and it will drop directly into your document. If you want a faster method that keeps your hands on the keyboard, use the built-in shortcut. Go back to the Insert tab, click Equation, and type a backslash followed by the letters D, I, V. Press the spacebar once, and Word will automatically convert that text into a perfect division symbol. Finally, the absolute fastest way is using an Alt code, which works anywhere in Windows, not just in Word. Make sure your keyboard number pad is turned on. Hold down the Alt key, type 0, 2, 4, 7 on the number pad, and then release the Alt key. The division sign appears instantly, without you having to navigate through any menus. That is all there is to it. If this guide saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward software tutorials. See you in the next one.